What if the pandemic situation starts to recover and the job opportunities created by COVID-19 does not exist? Hi, it's me Neesa Shah from Viratnagar. I am a student from 3rd semester enrolled in BBA at Mahindra Morang Adarsa Multiple Campus. First of all, I would like to thank BBA EduDepot team for providing me such a marvelous opportunity. Representing students' voice, I am going to deliver you about job opportunities created by COVID-19. Let's get into the topic. Do you know a new job has been created by COVID-19 known as virtual babysitter, in which the babysitter keeps children company via video calls and help them with school homework during COVID-19 school closure. The wages for this job ranges from $12 to $25 per hour. This is only the trailer. I will be explaining you more jobs which are created by COVID-19. Firstly, let me inform you something about COVID-19. The disease was firstly identified in December 2019 in Wuhan city of China. The WHO declared the outbreak of public health emergency of international concern on 30 January 2020 and a pandemic on 11 March 2020. It is a respiratory virus which spreads primarily through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes or through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose. जब हामी यो कोरोना भाइरसको बारेमा सोच्छौं नि तब हाम्रो माइन्डमा कोरोना भाइरसको बारेमा नकारात्मक विचारहरू मात्र आउने गर्छ। हो म सहमत पनि छु। कोरोना भाइरसले मात्र एउटा जिल्ला वा समाजलाई असर नपुर्याएर सम्पूर्ण संसारलाई नै असर पुर्याएको छ। The corona virus has changed the way we work, we spend, we shop, we spend our free time. That has destroyed millions of jobs. But यसले नयाँ जागिरको सिर्जना पनि त गरेको छ नि। अब हामी समय खेर नफाली COVID-19 ले क्रिएट गरेका जागिरहरूतर्फ लागौ। Let me tell you the first job, that is researcher. Each and every nation are hiring researchers to introduce vaccine for COVID-19. Next one is contact tracer. The government of every nation are employing contact tracer in order to save others from further transmission. Next one is COVID-19 testers. A wide range of employers are hiring for these jobs, including public sector agencies, hospitals and universities. Next one is interior designer. The demand for staffs for facilitating social distancing layout in the office are extremely increasing. And next one is factory workers. Workers at masks, sanitizer, gloves, PPE, etc. factory are demanded at extremely high rate. Next one is COVID-19 caregiver. The employees for caring to the COVID-19 patients and contacted COVID-19 people are being hired due to this pandemic. Next one is Zoom support specialist. There is growing need for video platform technical support. There is a huge demand for people who can facilitate video meetings. Next one is co-health assistant. You know that every hospitals, clinics are hiring co-health assistants. And next one is temperature screeners. तापक्रम स्क्रिनर्सहरूलाई अहिले यो पेन्डेमिकमा धेरै भन्दा धेरै हायर गरिएको छ. Next one is Plexiglass screen installer. Typical wage range for this job ranges from $14 to $20 per hour. Install Plexiglass counter seals at grocery stores and restaurants and Plexiglass dividers in shared office space to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Next one is outdoor fitness trainer. Typical wage for this job ranges from $15 to $50 per hour. Provide socially distanced outdoor fitness instruction individuals or small groups. हेर्नुस् त मैले यत्रो जागिरहरू भनिसके तर अझै पनि जागिरहरू बाँकी नै छन्. नेक्स्ट वान इज टेलिमेडिसिन फिजिशियन. द टिपिकल वेज फर दिस जब रेन्जेस फ्रम $30 to $150 per hour. Provide socially distanced diagnosis, prescription, counseling and therapy. Next one is virtual beauty advisor. अब हामीलाई यसै फिजिकल्ली कुनै इभेन्टमा एपियर हुन छ भने हामी ब्युटिसियनहरुसँग सल्लाह लिन्छौं. तर अब भर्चुअल इभेन्टहरुमा एटेन्ड हुनको लागि त एउटा भर्चुअली कस्तो देखिनु पर्छ, कस्तो राम्रो हुन्छ भनेर सजेसनहरु लिनको लागि त एउटा एडभाइजर जरुरत पर्छ. हो त्यही एडभाइजरहरुलाई चाहिँ यो अहिले भर्चुअल वर्ल्ड भनौं न, भर्चुअल वर्ल्ड जस्तै भएको छ अहिले पेन्डेमिकले गर्दा. हो यस्तो वर्ल्डमा चाहिँ राम्ररी देखिनको लागि भर्चुअल ब्युटी एडभाइजरहरुलाई हायर गरिएको छ. टिपिकल वेज फर दिस जब रेन्जेस फ्रम $12 to $35 per hour. Provide socially distanced skin care and makeup advice. Next one is virtual event producer. Typical typical wage for this job ranges from $50 to $55 per hour. Design, create, execute virtual events, develop virtual alternatives for conference, concert, birthday parties, weddings, and other events cancelled due to COVID-19. Let me ask you one question. We talked about job opportunities now. Let me know who is hiring during the coronavirus. I would like to share some with you. Shipping and delivery companies, online learning companies, grocery store and delivery services, remote meeting and communication companies, working families, etc. Now, I hope you all are clear about creation and destruction of jobs due to COVID-19. Yes, I agree that many business firms are in loss and many workers are unemployed, but the above job opportunities makes us clear about the positive impact of COVID-19 on job holders. कोरोना भाइरसले विभिन्न नयाँ जागिरको अवसर दिन पुगेको छ। अब मलाई यहाँ भिडियोमा हेर्नुहुने सम्पूर्णलाई एउटा प्रश्न गर्न चाहन्छु। इफ यो कोरोना भाइरस टोटली रिकभर हुने हो र यी सबै जागिरहरू नरहेमा कति जागिर र जनसङ्ख्याहरू बेरोजगार हुन्छन् त? प्लिज कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा आफ्नो एन्सर दिनु होला। थ्यांक यू।